Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing your data and credentials. Make sure the iPhone paired to the Apple Watch is unlocked and connected to Wi-Fi. Back up the iPhone to iCloud or Finder so you can restore settings later. This preserves health and app data. Once done, verify your Apple ID and password. You'll need them to remove activation lock. If the watch is unresponsive, place both devices on charge, keep them close, and proceed to the Watch app to start the erase process. Now proceed to the Watch app on your iPhone. Tap My Watch, then General, and choose Reset. Select Erase Apple Watch content and settings. You'll confirm this choice twice because it deletes all data and removes the passcode. Enter your Apple ID password when requested so activation lock is disabled. The watch will reboot and show an erasing screen. Don't interrupt this. It can take several minutes. Once the erase completes, the passcode is removed and the watch is ready to pair again. Finish by pairing the Apple Watch to your iPhone as a new device or restoring from the backup you made earlier. Follow on screen prompts to set a new passcode. If activation lock still appears, sign out of iCloud on the paired iPhone, sign back in, and repeat the erase. If the watch won't respond or erase, force restart by holding the digital crown and side button until the Apple logo appears, then attempt the erase again. Make sure both devices remain charged during recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.